Hey guys, Tom here. Recently I deployed my first ever project, and because of that I've been using a lot of Docker, and I thought in this video I'd show you how you can debug using PDB your Django project inside Docker. So what you want to do first is you want to open your YAML file, whichever you're using. In my scenario I used cookie cutter, or some of it, so I've got a local.yaml and a production.yaml, and we want to go ahead and open that. And all you need to do is find the service where your Django is basically operating from. So for me, I'm just using Django REST framework, so I've got an API service. And all we need to do is inside this API, you want to add these two lines of code here. Just these two, I'll leave it up for a second. So standard in underscore open, true, tty, true. And that's literally it. So now we've modified our YAML file, all you need to do is go into the code where you want to debug. So for me, I've put the debugger inside the create method for the question board view. So here, when we add a new board, we're going to put in some description, and a board title and a description. We're going to add board. That request is going to get sent here, and then our debugger is going to stop us there, and we'll be able to debug. So before we do that, we need to make sure that we've built. So to make sure everything's built correctly, I'm going to make this a bit smaller, like so. And next we want to check our containers, sudo docker container ls, and we've got our docker container here. So next we want to do sudo docker attach, and then wherever your Django project is, let's do this. So we've now attached to our container. I'm going to refresh here. We're going to create a board title, such as interesting board, and it's going to have some description, and we're going to add board, and then when we go back, we're inside our PDB. And if we look at our code, there's two things that we could, by this point, we've got a user, we've got title, and we've got description. So let's grab the title, and let's grab the description, and that's a really nice way for you to be able to debug with PDB inside your Django projects. So that's it for this video. It's pretty straightforward. Obviously, of course, in this video I've assumed that you already have your project set up. So this is just so you can actually use PDB to debug your projects. But this is nice whenever you're kind of sending requests and you might think you're getting something, but you're not actually getting that thing, and it's better than print statements. But print statements would work like this too. But yeah, so that's everything for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thank you for watching.